This is like one of the neatest trades I've taken in a while now. So I took these sales on step 500 index and I used a simple market approach which I'll be sharing with you guys in today's video. So do well to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this trade breakdown. And if you're new to the channel, do well to smash the subscribe button and hit the like button and drop a good comment on this video here what your thoughts is on this trade breakdown. So on the daily time frame, I identified the market structure. Basically always emphasize on going to a higher time frame whenever you want to look at future opportunities, whenever you want to analyze the market. Start from a higher time frame. Starting from the higher time frame would enable you have a clearer view on the market. You'll be able to see the bigger picture and the market zones and spot them correctly. So I identified this zone of resistance on the daily time frame. You can see market structure here: resistance, 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 resistance. Then I identified this market trend. I always emphasize on trading alongside with the market trend. If the market is in an uptrend, you look out for buy opportunities, and if the market is on a downtrend, you look out for sell opportunities. So I was able to spot this market trend on the 4-hour time frame, which you can see clearly here. I spotted this market direction. We can see price creating series of lower highs and lower lows, and this series of lower highs and lower lows gives the market a downward direction. It makes the market trend to the downside. It makes the market sell to the downside. It gives the sellers higher hand in the market. So I have to trade with the market direction on how I was able to identify where the market is headed to. So it's clear this market is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. We got the first high at that point. We got the second high at this one, basically a lower high. The third high, which I was expecting a lower high. Right, so it was on this third high that I looked at for my trade opportunity, that looked to selling this index, because if price can give the sales on this level as a resistance, selling from this trend resistance level the first time, the second time I expected price to give the third sales from this zone as a resistance as well. And we got our trend support here. We got the first buys on this level, trend support. The second buys here, trend support. So seeing this market formation, this market structure, I knew that this index is on a downtrend. This lower highs formation, we got under high at this point, under low, sorry, a lower high. Got price creates series of lower highs and lower lows formation, lower highs and lower lows formation here. So next thing I did was to spot our next level, which we got at this zone. Remember, we identified a level earlier on the daily time frame at this point. This is basically a new index we just started forming at this point, and we already got markets move on a downtrend, create this downtrend structure formation. So having knowledge of market structure and price action market approach, I was expecting this index to sell. I knew that this index is going to sell because I saw price create lower highs and lower lows formation, and market was reacting on a zone, a level of resistance. And we have our next level basically at this point. This is our next level of support. So the level which price is approaching is this intermediate level, this level we got in between here, which you've seen price buy on as a support, resistance, support here. So I'm expecting price to sell to this zone for the buys, for possible buys, or possibly market selling further to this next level of support. So these the two zones that has probabilities of same price react on. Right, these are the two zones that we could get markets give the bullish reaction from, because these are level of support. These are levels that when the market has reacted on, whenever price gets to it, we've got a bullish reaction on it. So I identified this market structure, which gave me the sell view on this index, and spotted an order block formation on this 4-hour time frame. We got an order block formation, a bearish order block, which is a drop based drop structure, a drop based drop order block pattern formation. So on price getting to this zone, I looked out for sell opportunities. I was expecting market to reject from this point, having three confluences. The first one is the market direction, second one is the market zone, the market trend, sorry. The second one is the market zone, and the third one is this order block formation. So this added up to my, like, this kind of gave me strong confirmations on these sales, right? It gave me strong conviction on the sales. So saw price create this first highs here, second highs at this zone. I looked out for my sales at this point with my SL above this high structure. My stop loss was above this zone. My entry was here. And you can see how price has been selling to the downside. I'm expecting market to sell to this zone basically. Right, I've got my first TP smashed, which was at this point. My first and second TP. First TP was at that zone. Second TP was at this point. I'm just holding about 2 positions. So I decided to make a video on this trade I took here. So my entries was here, was at this point. So I saw this index at this one on this candlestick close, this candlestick formation close. Yeah, and on market testing this one, I looked out for confirmations, which was a double top formation, and we got a double top formation here, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation, which I took my sales on. So you can see that market already created a reversal pattern formation on the 15-minute time frame, getting the left shoulder at that zone, right? The right shoulder, sorry, the head at this point, the head basically here, and the right shoulder at this point. So this gave a bearish reversal pattern formation on this index, which most traders will be looking to shorten from this point, from this zone. They're looking to shorten on the break and close below the neckline of this market formation. Then we can see price give the retest here, the retracement, sorry, back to this level before the proper sells. And we got a trend on this same 15-minute time frame, which is an uptrend formation, which is markets creating higher highs and higher lows formation. This is like yeah, an ascending channel pattern. It's like an ascending channel pattern, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation, a bearish continuation pattern. So this ascending channel was where price came to retest. This ascending channel support level was where the markets came to give a retest on after these first sales got the rejection from this zone. This is a zone, an important zone. So you can see market reaction here. So the market kind of reacted to this zone, gave the buy move from it before price gave the retest here on the approach of this zone, retesting this ascending channel level of support that got broken down resistance, change resistance level for the sell. So I short this index. I took my sales on this big candle close. You can see this bearish engulfing candle that closed there. I took my sales at this point, and we got our first TP smashed, which was at this same zone, which price gave the first buys from, right? My first TP was here. So after getting my first TP smashed, I moved my stop loss below my entry. You can see markets pushed down a little bit, gave the retest here. We are getting the sells, more sells expected on step 500 index in the coming hours. And this throughout today, basically, I'm expecting this index to sell at least for price to get to the zone before we could get any possible buys on this index. So I'm bearish on step 500 index. So that's it, guys. That was how to take the sell trade on this index by spotting the market's direction, the market's trend on a high time frame, spotting my levels and zones, and my entry formation level, my entry formation point, then going down to a lower time frame for my entries. So for more trade breakdowns like this and market analysis, do it to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chilling means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.